This is the security system from Anker. I have unscrewed it. I want to install it in a hard drive. These are the cables for the hard drive, and let's try it. I'm not a specialist and don't know anything. I'm making it the first time in my life, but still I will try to make it. This is it. Okay, this is the hard drive. Okay, I have connected it, but it seems to be a little bit too big for that plastic case, and all the power supply and all the cables are working good because hard drive just started. I have just started it, and it looks like this. I didn't do anything, and this is 1 terabyte disk, and it seems to seeing it quite nice. You can format it. I would like to format the disk. Other records, yes. Okay, it is working really. I'm surprised because I have expected something else. Okay, right now this is the system. It is working. I cannot screw it down, and that's why it's opened over here, but this doesn't matter. This is my security. It is working really fine. You will get the mouse with it, and you can adjust it if you want to. You can just make a setup system and do whatever